Now here is a test question for you. I would like you to pause the video, copy the question, answer, and then look into my suggestions. The question is, find the sum of angle PQR. PQR is this angle, and PRQ, which is that angle, if QM equals to MR equals to PM. That is, QM is equal to MR, so this is a midpoint, is equals to PM. So these three sides are equal. Now you have to need to find sum of angle Q and R. You can actually pause the video, answer this question, and then check with my solution. You are given four choices: 70 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and none of the above. Now to begin with, what we can do is we can just assume some angle A here, right? So if this is A and we have an isosceles triangle, then we know that angle R is equal to, this A, we have assumed this, right? Now this angle should be equal to angle RPM, right? RPM, since they are isosceles triangles. So this is also A, correct? So these two are same angles. Now what is angle PMQ? Now PMQ is an exterior angle. Let's call it X. It's an exterior angle. So PMQ, which is X, is equals to twice A plus A. You can add them up, right? Because sum of remote interior angles. Perfect. Now these two sides are equal. That really means that angle Q is also equal to this angle, correct? So let's call those angles as B. Let's call these angles as B. In that case, what is B equal to? In that case, what is B equal to? Then we can find what B plus A is. Is that clear, right? So in this triangle, so what we see here is that in the triangle QPM, what we have is that 2B plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Correct? 2B plus X is 180 degrees. X is 2A, right? So we could write this as 2B plus 2A equals to 180 degrees. What I did was I substituted X equals to 2A. Do you see that? Correct? So 2B plus 2A is 180 degrees. If I divide by 2, what do I get? So in this particular equation, look at it. If I divide by 2, then becomes B plus A equals to, I'm dividing everything by 2, 90 degrees. Does make sense? Divide by 2. So what I'm doing now is divide by 2, right? So when you divide, that 2 cancels, this 2 cancels, 180 divided by 2 is 90 degrees. So we get our result that A plus B is 90 degrees. So the sum of these two angles is indeed 90 degrees. Does it make sense to you? Correct? So that is how you can prove it. But if you are given this question in multiple choice, what you can also do is you would actually take an example. Let us say if I put here some value, let's say if I put here 40 degrees, in that case this will be 40 degrees. That will be 40 plus 40, 80 degrees. Now this should be add to 100, right? So each will be how much? Each will be 50 degrees. And if you add 50 and 40, what do you get? When you add them, you get 90 degrees. So that is a faster way, quick way. So that is your tip. So quick way to do it is, put some values and check for yourself. If you get some result which matches, then it's true. I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this learning process about exterior angles, concluding with an excellent example. Feel free to write your views and comments, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.